Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today my lovely client Andrea has come in. We've taken our old nails off and we're going in and prepping the natural nails now for a new set. So I've pushed back the cuticles, I've sanitized her hands and my own hands, and I'm coming in with this pear bit. Is it the pear? I think it's the pear from nail.supplies. I go down one half of the cuticle area and up a sidewall, and then I pop it in reverse and go round the other way, just so I'm getting a full prep in both sidewalls. I'm then just going to etch over that natural nail to make sure no shine is left on. Just clean up the free edge slightly and just really gently go over that surface now, making sure that every bit has like little scratches on. And there's no shiny bits of that nail. And then I'm going to go in and apply my CJP pink butterfly forms. These are my favourite. And then what I'm going to do is build a clear layer on all of the nails. Now this acrylic that I'm using now, the monomer, is a new one that's going to be released from CJP. It is primerless and HEMA free, so really fantastic for those who have any contact dermatitis or any allergies to products. HEMA is usually the main culprit for those allergies, so this is HEMA free, and it also does not require a primer. So that is why you will see me, I've dehydrated and cleaned all of the nails really well, and then I'm just going straight in with my product. So I'm building this clear layer with crystal glass on all 10 of her nails. This monomer also sets quicker, so it's not like it's not a slow setting monomer, but it gives you that play time so you can work with your product, but then once you stop playing with it, it sets really quick, which is fantastic. So I'm just going to do that on all 10. I just showed you the pinky and the thumb of me building the clear base. I thought you may get bored of seeing it over and over again. So I'm just really blending that bead into that cuticle area so there's no ridge. I do just clean up the edges as well and gently file over the surface before I come in with my design. So I'm using Snapdragon, and it is just a gorgeous wine red. I love this colour so much. It's so pretty, and it's an absolute dream to work with as well. And I'm just placing that halfway down that nail, pulling it down towards the free edge and kind of just making sure it all has nice coverage. And then I'll come in with a cuticle bead and just clean up that cuticle, make sure it's all nice looking flush and it's all neat. I'm then just going to go and do the exact same process on the index finger. So I'm placing that bead on, just tapping that back of that bead so it's nice and blended onto that clear layer, and then just pulling the rest of that product down from side to side and like making sure it's the thickness is down the spine of that nail. I'm just feathering it out towards those sidewalls and that free edge. Giving a little stroke, patting it into position, and then in with the cuticle bead, place that bead at the cuticle, kind of just tap that monomer into it. So I keep feeding that bead with monomer, and then going down one side, down, making the other side nice and clean and flush, and then just pulling the rest of that product down evenly over the nail so it's nice even application, no bumps and lumps. Then this middle finger is going to be a full nail of Perfect Peach. For some reason, I've only recorded 2 beads of this nail. I don't really know what happened to the cuticle area bead, but it kind of just vanished. So This nail was just a full nail of Perfect Peach, and then I capped it in negligee. We are going to just cover this in pigment anyway. And then we're moving on to the ring finger, and I'm using this absolutely stunning glitter. Now, I can't remember the name of this glitter, but I know it's from Nail Sugar. I will try and find out the name because it is absolutely stunning. Just look at it. I'm just going to do a full nail of this on the ring finger and a full nail on the thumb. And it's a nice multi-cut as well, so it's really easy to get that full coverage. It's got like small bits and chunky bits. It's just beautiful. Then when they were all capped and dried, I'm coming in with my hand file, just cleaning up the sidewalls, the free edge, and then I'll come in with my Efile and just debulk around the cuticle area and kind of just go down the whole entire nail. And then after this, we'll turn my client's hand around and file from her view so that we get that nice crisp shape. The Efile that I use is the Saeyang K35. I love it. It's just my favourite Efile. I've tried a few, but none seem to compare to this Efile. And that is just a genuine, honest opinion. And it is just my opinion. That is all. So I'm going to do exactly the same on all 10 nails. Go over with my hand file, reshape, refine, and buff over. And then we're going to top coat. I'm going to top coat all the nails with CJP Tack Free Top Gloss, and then I'll cure in the lamp for 60 seconds. And then I'm just going to put some beautiful pigment on the middle finger. And then using this Platinum Rose Gold pigment from Glitter Planet UK, and it's absolutely stunning. It's so easy to apply, looks absolutely beautiful on the nails. love it, love it, love it. Don't forget that if you do buy anything from Glitter Planet UK, you can use my code, which is Liz10, and that gives you 5% off. And there's the finished set. Thank you for watching. I love you all so much, and I'll see you all again in my next one. Bye.